Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to play music on AirPods without phone. So simply just open your music apps. Okay, if you don't get music apps, just open your app store and search it to music apps. Go to search option, search it to, and just search it to music apps. Okay, and just easily open your music apps, and you just easily install your music apps. I'm already installed. Just press on to open or press on to music apps, showing it to song and showing it to your music. Just play music from here.